The EM Lizard feed pushing robot is a perfect solution for large modern barns. Its installation is fast and easy, with only a few hours needed, and the interference with the structure of the building is minimal. The use of an induction loop guarantees reliable operation and precise feed pushing in all conditions. The installation process begins with a visit by an EM technician who inspects the building and discusses with the customer where to install the robot base. Then a plan for the placement of the induction loop and the scope of the device's work is developed. Once the plan is approved by the customer, a detailed design is prepared based on which the installers proceed with implementation. To begin with, installers draw lines according to the detailed design, which determine the course of the loop. The floor is incised with a groove 3-4 mm wide and 15 to 20 mm deep. In the groove, inductive wires are placed, which are a key component of the robot's navigation system. The groove is then filled with a chemical anchor, which ensures the durability of the installation and protects the wire from damage. The next step is to mount the inductive loop generator and charger on the building wall. Functional markers are installed in the floor of the building. Once the installation is complete, run tests are conducted to make sure the system is working properly. Before the installation is completed, the customer is trained in detail on how to use the robot.